Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. Friends, as far as we are concerned with this video, then I am here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful hand embroidered 3D face mask designs. Yes, you have heard right that these masks are very beautifully handmade. They are entirely made up of hand embroidery and by using hand sewing skills. No machine sewing skills are required to make these masks. These masks are made by keeping in view the nose, wire connection and the elastically adjustable ear straps. So friends, these masks are usable, they are reusable, washable, soft, lightweight, double layered masks, but they could also be used as 3-layer mask by placing a inner filter white color pocket layer. So friends, these masks are suitable for every age group and they are specifically designed for adults and as well as some very beautiful hand embroidery designs to catch the attention of kids. As you could see that this blue denim mask is very beautifully designed for kids by making girl and boy patterns on this. And one more thing I am going to tell you that these patterns are very easy friends, as I have been sharing my views and opinions in my previous videos of masks as well. So this video is also considered as or could be considered as the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very beautiful, handsome and quality design ideas of face mask, because taking care of yourself is very important and coronavirus is a very dangerous situation which has been termed as COVID-19 and it has regained its vitality and have affected and is now affecting human beings in a large massive numbers. So no need to worry about, only take care of yourselves, and one precautionary measure, that is wearing face mask while leaving out for some work or some basic necessities. So I hope that you will keep these things in your mind and you will make sure that you keep or wear a mask while moving out. So thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned, stay connected. I will soon be back with you along with some new ideas. Up till then, take care and don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, share my videos with your friends and family.